Good afternoon, guys. Happy Tuesday. Today's a beautiful day. I have nothing to vlog today, so I just wanted to come here and say hi to everyone. Look at my little precious baby taking a nap on my lunch. I think today I want to go on a golf cart ride because it just looks beautiful. And I'm feeling kind of like just want to decompress. So when I do the golf cart ride, it relaxes me just looking around the community. And I need to go to Publix too because I need to redo our Powerball ticket that me and my sister have. It's already expired, so I have to redo it for another 20 times more. That's what I do. I play it like for 20 draws more, so I don't have to keep going and playing the lotto every single time it comes out. Look at my bow. It says, "Oh my God, isn't it cute?" I'll take this off later. This is while I'm working. But yeah. And then I need to go to Publix because that's where I get it. So let's see what I get from Publix. It'll probably be a small little vlog. Look, both of my babies sleeping. One over here. There she goes. And the other one here. Roxy. Look at her ears. Alright, guys. See you in the next clip. Peace. Forgot to show you guys my t-shirt. Look at my t-shirt. Me and my hubby. Well, that's when I used to be blonde, because now I'm letting my natural hair and I just do highlights so it looks darker. But I did this t-shirt when, what was it, 3 years ago? I think so, yeah. Or 2 years ago. But yeah, love my t-shirt. I'm beautiful. She's so cute. So cute. Look at that face of yours. So close to my face. Say hi, YouTube fam. I don't know what to eat. Hubby and I went to cruise around and get caught on the rain. It's all like little rocks.
She's giving us a chance to get to the house.
Yeah, right. Before we get there, it's gonna go.
Oh, they got instant transfer.
Oh my God.
Oh shit, look at the water. Look.
Yeah, look at the water. Oh. We are getting wet. Ay, ticket. The lottery ticket is in this pocket. Man, and it feels so good. Is he coming here?
Oh yeah.
Two of them. Everybody's running back home.
Sorry. Mira, I like that shit that's in the face.
Yeah.
Reminds me of a rainbow.
Are you getting wet on the side?
A little bit.
See there?
The adventures.
For real. I think it's really giving us chance because it went a little bit, now it slowed down. I'm just getting wet on the side. I think it's really giving us chance because it went a little bit. Okay, guys, got home safely after we got away, but we didn't get that much. We didn't get that way. It was only on the side of the golf car. So went to Publix, just got a few things. I wanted chicken gizzards. I want to do that for dinner tonight. I like chicken gizzards. I like it when it's crunchy. I don't like it super soft. Everybody likes it always. So I got 3 packs. And I do give some for the doggies, but I do the one for the doggies, I season it really lightly. Just a little bit of seasoning. And they were $3.56, $3.71, and $3.66. I got some mac and cheese Bob Evans. They were 2 for $9, so each package came out to $4.50. And I got the potato one, original, the same, 2 for $9, so for $4.50 each. This was buy one get one. Love my sausage. And I got this ice cream. They were buy one get one. Came out to less, like $4 each box, I think it was. And it brings 8 mini cones. I've been in my sweets, craving sweets at night, which I know is not good, but at least I get the little miniature ones, not that big. Yeah, so that's basically what I got. And that's it for this vlog. See you in the next vlog. Hope you enjoy the rest of the week.